In the seminars, we use a variety of pedagogical methods to enhance the learning experience for these senior executives. A unique strength of Nanyang Business School is the Asian Business Case Center, where instructors can develop more current and more relatable cases that showcase the innovation and their boldness in decision-making as a leader.
Currently in my workplace, we encourage that we prepare for meetings. We dive straight into the discussions itself. And similarly, this is what I'm experiencing in the EMBA program. This is a quick and fast way for us to learn and even also exchange and interact with people from different industries.
So in the class, I actually get to hear different perspectives, how they tackle business issues, and some of the business issues are actually very similar. They could be unique in their own ways, but they're very similar. Now I take to do a more in-depth approach. So like from strategy class, I learned about looking at the external environment, assess that first, and then compare competitors with our sort of internal resources and capabilities before coming up with some solutions that's relevant for the company.
Through the case teaching, participants do not just learn about the subject matters, but they also learn to apply the learning in a real-life decision context. And as instructor, we try to facilitate that process. Our EMBA program has one of the most senior profile in Asia. We went through a lot of effort to ensure that we do not just learn from the professor, but we also learn from the participant.
I decided to pursue an EMBA to become a better leader in a world that is very fast changing. Ultimately, I was seeking further professional growth to keep contributing to my employers' success. You share not only in the classroom, but also during group work, which helped a lot at work to basically look at things from different angles and not only from a finance perspective.
With that, we hope our participants will have a more holistic, synergized, multi-dimensional approach to addressing issues and challenges in their organization.